Hello guys, we are at the BYD section of Auto Expo today, and here you can see the cars BYD Ceylon 7. These are the new cars that are coming from BYD and they are thinking of manufacturing one plant here. Come with me, I'm going to show you more cars that are present here. There is one SUV over there that you can see. BYD Atto, one time more. This is one of the cars that is available if you want to use. All the BYD cars are in electric form. And here is BYD Ceylon 6. So this is the 6, this is the 7. The difference that it looks is this is less in length and this is more in length, and this looks pretty much like Porsche, so looks pretty good. If you see the other one also, the length of the car is quite big. And this is the BYD section, and right now we will go to the BYD Seal. This car is also present in Mexico, as I told you, and this is the BYD Seal. So it can go almost 600-700 kilometers in one charge. People are just going inside and out, checking the cars. BYD Seal. So the front looks like this. The front looks like this, if you can see. Quite beautiful. Looks very luxury. If you compare, I can say it's somewhere near to Camry. But look at the wheels. The wheels look almost, the wheels are 19 inches and it has a 235, 45, 19-inch tires. You can see over here. The center console also looks very nice. So yeah, let's go to the other side. The other side I saw more of the SUVs. Here is one car, is called U8 from BYD. It looks huge, guys. It looks like the Range Rover that they were saying, but for me it looks more big than the Chevrolet trucks in Mexico and US. Chevrolet Cheyenne Suburban side profile, it looks quite big, guys, quite big. The tires are almost 22 inches tires, and lengthwise it looks same like Jaguar Land Rover, the big one. Pretty nice. Here is the BYD E-Max 7. So this is already available for sale in India. It's a 7-seater car. You have already seen this in Blue Smart or other companies that they are using this. Cost approximately 40 lakh rupees. The only problem with BYD right now is that the car is expensive because it's imported. It's not manufactured here in India. So they are trying to manufacture the plant here, and as soon as they do manufacturing here, I think the cost of these cars is gonna come down. The prices of this car is gonna come down. So let's see how much time it takes, because in Mexico also they are trying to do the same. They are trying to put one plant in Mexico also. So in India also they are trying to do the same. Let's see when the plant is here. This car is gonna cost almost 10 lakh rupees less. With that, it comes in the price budget of the Indians. Right now they are not selling so much. Only the people who wish to buy exotic cars like Ioniq or Kia EV6, they are more attracted towards it. But for me, as a personal buyer, I am not attracted because the prices are too much high according to the technology.